Classics NSO. Rama demonstrates an experiment with a light source, bulb, and object placed on table. He changes the distance between light source and object. Then he draws a graph. Which one of the following graph is correct? Here the correct graph is option B, because when the distance between object and light source increases, the length of shadow decreases. Here in option A, when the distance between object and light source is increasing, the shadow size also is increasing. So this is wrong. And here, when the distance between object and light source is increasing, the size of the shadow is decreasing curvically. So this is also wrong. Here, when the distance between object and light source is increasing, the size of the shadow decreases and then increases, which is also wrong. So, the size of the shadow should decrease parallelly in straight line and not in curvical line. So, option B is the correct answer. Similar question regarding shadows is there. Geeta observes her own shadow throughout the day at different intervals of time and then draw a graph to find the difference in length of the shadow with change in position of sun with time. Which graph is correct? Here, during morning, the length of the shadow will be large, and in the evening, the length of the shadow will be large. But here, in option A, during morning, in the morning, the length of shadow is increasing, and from afternoon, the length of the shadow is decreasing, and at 4 p.m., the length of the shadow must be large, but here it is decreasing. So this option is wrong. Here, during morning time, the length of the shadow should be high, but here it is decreasing, and from afternoon it is increasing. So this part is correct, but this part is wrong. So option B is also wrong. In option C, the length of the shadow in the morning and in the evening will be of similar height because sun will be far away, but in the afternoon no shadow will be formed because sun is overhead to us. So this option is correct. The length of the shadow in the morning and the evening should be of same size. Here it is not of same size, and here it is also not of the same size. The length of the shadow in the evening and in the morning is different. So this is also wrong. So the correct answer is option C.